Hey, welcome back to another tutorial where we do a Final Cut Pro trick in under 2 minutes. Today we're talking about how to use external hard drives. I'm obviously pretty loyal to one brand when it comes to externals, but you can use any external that you have. They all show up on your desktop pretty much the same. Step 1, you want to connect your formatted external hard drive to your Mac by just plugging it in, and it'll show up here on your desktop. Once it shows up on your desktop, you want to open Final Cut Pro and just create a new library. In the Save dialog, choose your external hard drive as the destination for your new library. This will save your new project to your external hard drive, and you'll be working from your external hard drive from this point forward. Storing your media on an external hard drive not only saves space on your computer, but it can also improve the performance and speed of your computer. You can see here that your library file is now saved to your hard drive and you're ready to import your footage. Next, you want to import your media. You can just say File, Import Media, or just press Import Media right here, and then make sure copy to your external is selected. You can also make sure in the import settings, if you go to Settings, Import, that copy to library storage location is always selected on, which will save all of your files and media to your library, which is saving to your external, so everything will be in one place. Finally, when you're done editing and you want to unplug your hard drive, make sure to right-click and eject. This will help you prevent data loss, and that's how you use an external hard drive to edit in Final Cut Pro. Hope that was helpful. If you like these types of videos, I have an entire playlist of tutorials that you can go through at your own pace and learn Final Cut Pro skills in under 2 minutes. I make videos every 2 weeks, so subscribe if you like these, and I will see you in 2 weeks. Bye!